Now that there's a chill in the air, thaw out with this goat of broccoli and cheese soups. This soup is warm and cozy. It's the kind of dinner that hits just right on those crisp fall nights. Come on and grab a blanket, put on your favorite movie, and get ready to curl up with this warm and cozy broccoli and cheese soup.
Let's get things started by melting some butter with a splash of olive oil. Once the butter is melted and bubbly, it's time to toss in your broccoli florets. Now let's build the flavor. Start with garlic salt, then add some smoked paprika for warmth and depth. This is the moment to add your milk and heavy cream to create that rich, cozy base we all love. Here comes the good stuff. Add your sharp cheddar cheese and watch it melt into that cozy base. This is where we sprinkle in a bit of pepper for that extra warmth. Add the cream cheese, cover, and simmer until combined. Blend it all up until it's silky, smooth, and creamy. Then add that final touch of butter for that soul-warming finish.
This recipe is so warm and cozy, you'll forget there's a chill in the air. I want to know your favorite fall recipes, so drop them in the comments below. And while you're here, hit that like and subscribe for more warm, comforting meals all season long.